If you look at here, have you remember the recording question number 5 at the exam task? Do you still remember? It's about the things that the boy want to, this question is about this question. Okay, when will they have picnic? So, and then the boy said, I have to stop at the supermarket to get the things before seeing her on Sunday. Do you still remember on that recording?
Remember, teacher.
Okay, very good. So you need to think, you need to figure it out. This is a hot questions, okay? High order thinking skill. Why teachers say like that? Because here, able to listen again to a recording of question number 5 in exam task for idea to write the email. Okay, what email? Okay, so now the little girl want to see about her grandmother, somebody, I cannot remember that one, but I did remember that the boy want to go to the supermarket to get the things first, right? Okay, and then if you look at the question number 2, okay, after you try to refresh means remember back. Okay, remember the recording is about going to supermarket and then buy some things for a picnic. But this lesson for tomorrow, it's about go to the supermarket and get the things for an occasion, for an event, such as a birthday party, surprise birthday party, and so on. Okay, whatever event. Okay, so now if you look at here, I already prepared to you the link. Okay, this link I will give you tomorrow. Have you have everyone have you buy the workbook? Wait, workbook top 1, have you buy it? This one for form 3, have you buy it
Today.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
okay? If you already buy it, yeah, okay. So now all of you will open page 11. Okay, open page 11. Not now. Okay, tomorrow, or maybe after you finish the listening, exercise. Okay, here you open. I already prepared the link. I captured, I snapped the picture yesterday and then I put in the link. I will give you the link tomorrow, or do you want me to give the link today? I already prepared it. Because the listening is very simple thing to do. Do you want it today or tomorrow? This one. The link, I mean the link. Tomorrow, okay. So you don't want like mix it up, okay? So now, I already posted this in the link, in my Google Form link, and tomorrow I will post it to you, and the answers are provided. Okay, jawapan dah ada. You need to choose the correct answer and then fill in the blanks. Okay, this question got the answer here, but for this question don't have answer, because when I checked there, they said write it right, students answer. So whatever answer here, but for the weak students, they cannot fill in because they do not know the ideas how to write it. So I purposely sengaja provide the answers. Okay, there is a table of answers in the link, and you can choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Okay, why? Because for this activity 2, I give you one example of writing email, but this is a very simple one. Okay, for the next activity 3, you will have to write a full essay of email format like this. I will put this in the link also, so you can answer in the link. But before you write the essay in the link by paragraphs, you see paragraphs mean more. It is mean more than one paragraph. Essay, right? Introduction, body 1, body 2, body 3, and the closing. So this one you may refer to here. You see, you may refer to here, or the textbook page 14 or 15, 14 textbook close up, okay, for a reference, So this is about write an email to your parents about your experience attending a family event. So this is a past tense, okay? So you need to do it in past tense, okay, guys? Now, all the instruction are here, okay? I hope for this one, Alhamdulillah, sorry. For this one, I hope you can write your name in your Telegram after you finish answering and snap the picture of your essay in the Telegram and write the answers, your essay in the link also. Okay? So that is for your reference. After I did the, you know what is called that, the checking, so you can correct in your exercise book. Understand or not? So you cannot see me to send your essay, right? So that is how I do it. Okay, so I hope all of you understand what I have explained today for the lesson 4 and lesson 2. Lesson 5, lesson 4 and lesson 5. Listening 1, listening 2, listening 1, listening only, listening 2 got listening, and the listening ideas. Just now I told you about the boy went to the supermarket to buy some things on Saturday, right? And then the 4.1.1 kandungan tambahan to master the listening and the writing part for activity 2, untuk menguasai for activity 2 and activity 3. Okay, Hanania, why I put this answer in the link? Because I want all of you to look to familiar. Familiar means biasa kan, okay? With the email and the essay, how to write it in how to write the essay in email format. Okay, so now teacher, what to write in the essay? You know already 5W1H. Do you still remember 5W1H? Do you still remember 5W1H, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you the 5W1H. Wait. Okay, can anyone tell me 5W1H, what is it? Number 1.
Who?
What? Next?
Who?
Who?
Why?
Next? Why? You need to answer this, okay? Because I'm going to teach you how to write in your
Where?
essay. Okay, where? Sorry, where? Number 4?
When?
When? Number 5?
What?
What? Done already. What? Who? Where? Why? Why?
How?
Next? How? Very good. 5W1H. Very good. Okay, now you are actually really need to learn this very carefully because you are Form 3 already. Okay, now what? If you look at the question here, okay? If you look at the question, because this is our last class, I want all of you to know, to master the basic of writing, asas writing. Now, if you look at the question, write an email to your grandparents about your experience attending family event. So, what is your experience? So wait. That is not the experience. That is not the question. The true question is, what is the event? Because the question here, page 12, about your experience attending a family event. You don't know what event, okay? You don't know what event. So what is the event? Is it a birthday party? Is it a wedding ceremony? You don't know, okay? Understand or not? Number 2. These are the questions you need to trigger in your mind, okay? Okay, so who what? Who what? What is the event? Then who? Who in?
Organize.
Who organize? Very good. Who organize? Let's say the party. Okay. The party or the event. Sorry, the event. Okay. Next. Where? Where the event? Okay, this one, no need to say home. Maybe you can say around the house where the event took place for each activities. Understand or not? For each activities, maybe after all of you are actually having some food and beverages, maybe after that you may go to do the activities, right? So where are you actually doing the activities? Okay, now when? You can put time there. When the time you do the activities, the games, when you do it. Maybe you can say in each paragraph, for example, body 1, the event, the event of birthday party started. This is past tense. Remember, when share experience, automatically past tense. Please be careful and beware for the question. If the question past tense, please answer past tense. Okay? But you can have present tense in past tense. For example, during the event, my friend and I were doing. You see, it actually the past tense, but because it's plural, were doing. You see, DUING, it involves the present continuous ing. Do you understand or not? Understand or not?
teacher.
Okay, we're doing. Okay, why you do the event? Okay, why? To celebrate your mom's birthday, to celebrate my grandfather's birthday or whatever. You know, grandfathers can got beside mom and next to mom and next to your father, right? So up to you. Okay, where do you do the event? Where do you do the event? Okay, it takes place where? I don't know, maybe body 1 another place, and then body 2 another place. Okay, sorry, why? Sorry, that is when. Sorry, why? Okay, why you do the event? That just now, that is about the places. Why is the reason? Why are you doing the party? For birthday party, why? For ceremony, for wedding ceremony, you know, somebody is actually married, you know. So birthday party, why you do the event? To make a surprise birthday party, because we have actually long time no see our siblings, you know, after the COVID. Maybe that is the reason why you do the event. Understand or not? Because long time of or everyone, long time no see, right? I'm long time no see you. Okay, why you do the surprise birthday party for teacher Hafiza? Because long time no see after the COVID season. That is why. Okay, so we are actually missing each other, rindu satu sama lain. So we are actually planning this. We have planned already, but not yet put the date. But we have planned. Kan, up to you what to write. Okay, how? How means to. How do you feel? The way you feel it: happy, sad, satisfied. You feel thankful. And the other one, how you do it. How you do it. Maybe you discuss with your siblings to have a surprise birthday party for your parents. Maybe your parents, one at Canada and one at Malaysia, so cannot get back here because of COVID. So that is why you and your siblings here organize a birthday party for your father or your mother there. You know, after they get back, able to get back after the COVID. Okay, after the seasons of COVID is actually maybe the percentage of death is less. Okay, so it's up to you how you do it. Okay, involve everyone or not, up to you. So everyone, do you understand what am I actually explained here? Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So I want all of you to write down this. Okay, everyone, please put this 5W1H in each paragraph, setiap paragraph. Okay, so you won't stuck, you takkan stuck masa you tulis. Believe it, okay, believe me. Okay, so now it's all for today's class. Any questions, guys? If no, I'm going to stop our class today. And you can continue with your exercise that I have given. Don't have anyone? Anyone?
No.
No, okay.
No,
So everyone understand? Okay, see you maybe, I don't know, next time, because the next time is maybe another teacher will take over. So I want to apologize for everything that I have said. Maybe got something that you feel offense, terasa ke apa, I'm so sorry. I'm very, very sorry, deeply actually apologize to you, okay? And I already forgiven whatever faults or things that you are actually mistake you made already. I forgiven. I forgive you. You are forgiven. Okay. So don't worry. So good luck lah. Okay. So don't be sad. Okay. So anything to say to me? This is our last class, and tomorrow last. Tomorrow no meeting. Okay. Welcome,
Thank you,
Andi.
teacher.
Welcome. Okay. I love you too.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Okay, I will post this recording at our class WhatsApp group. Okay, maybe you miss me. You want to see my face? I know I'm not like You know Angelina Jolie, but
Okay.
yes.
Tomorrow with you.
Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow we have no meeting, but tomorrow I will conduct class like at WhatsApp because today's guideline for writing tomorrow I already given. Right. Because tomorrow I want to give to all of you the time to write an essay because tomorrow our class 11:30 to 1, right? So 11:30 start from 1 p.m. You can try to write the essay. Okay? Just read the instruction that I have given. Okay? All the tips on and the example, okay, example of how to write an email, okay Hanania, okay Ayuni, everyone, okay, and then how to write an essay format, okay, for email format for essay, okay. So I hope everyone can do it, and I hope today everyone can do it, okay. So do the best for me and for everyone, for your father and mother, for yourself also, don't forget, okay. So bye. Okay, just leave.
Yeah.
I cannot leave early. You have to leave first. I feel sad.
Bye, teacher.
Okay. Bye.
I will
Bye.
miss you.
Bye,
Yeah, miss
teacher.
you too. Bye.